Hello everyone, this video is home workout di ngasi gisu. Ngasi na mainly bicep, tricep masu chest ki damakta semja video ni. Ado mayam asi workout se low weight view aduga asi workout se nongla home natra mangarak repeat view. Aduga ai mainly equipment yaudo workout nuti upload tawsrakani. Ado di gym da kamaina haksang fit leiba gi damakta oina semjaba channel ni mayamna support of you, subscribe to you, share to you, the comment so to you. Aham exercise is normal push up ni, as you chest amasung bicep the hit or get exercise ni, as I am 15 reps to you aduga. Second exercise na wide push up assist na normal exercise ka chamane adubo khut ani se wide adu tikar lab na shoulder dagi lab na thamaga place tawraga push up tawraba exercise ni assist se shu ngasi se mainly bicep amasung chest ki tamakta exercise tawne se 15 reps w Another exercise na diamond push up ni sisna kuch se diamond ki form da tamaga chest ki mai gi makha da tamaga exercise toba push up ni assist mainly bicep amasung abs exercise knee push up ni assist beginner ki damakta semja ba exercise ni aduri assist na push up to boda yamna easy hoini amasung hena nangi bicep amasung chest pangani ado si exercise to boda ta mem video same view ado 15 reps to ado 15 second rest to matang exercise continue to hoyani exercise big push up ko ye assist yamna hard hoiba exercise ti mate intermediate exercise ni assist bicep amasung chest ki damakta semja exercise ni mayam view aduga 15 reps to view aduga 15 second rest to matang exercise continue to view Sidi matang asi lotion jarage ado mem exercise puna 15 reps to view ado 15 second rest to mangara continue to view ado makha ta video so dana upload to sakani mem support to view subscribe to view share to view ado comment to view matani karam video da karam body part ke damak video semjara hoge haina ado mem ai video share to ba ko thank you